Building autonomous agents usually hits a hard wall the second they need to touch real data. If you want a single AI to access disparate data streams across multiple software platforms simultaneously, you struggle to tie them together. Developers historically rely on custom API integrations and messy glue code to force these connections. But writing and maintaining dozens of distinct API routes for an AI agent breaks down at scale. It creates rigid, brittle systems that require constant upkeep just to keep information flowing. This animated diagram demonstrates the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. It acts as a universal translator for AI. Instead of writing separate integration logic for every individual app, the protocol standardizes the communication between the model and the data source. To deploy this, developers use the Vinkius AI Gateway. It operates as a fully managed enterprise infrastructure hub, providing access to over 2,500 of these hardened MCP servers. Linking these data streams allows the AI to function as an operational component of an enterprise tech stack, capable of acting on the information it processes in real time. This is particularly useful in complex workflows like live marketing operations. Managing audiences and emails requires constant oversight, but the Mailchimp MCP server manages these operations through a conversational interface. It gives AI agents direct read and write control over your Mailchimp account. Your agent can pull audience lists, adjust subscriber limits, and edit campaign details without anyone having to log into a web dashboard. Tasks like segmenting users, exporting spreadsheets, and cross-referencing metrics, which usually involve manual navigation, are now handled through simple language operations. This UI mockup illustrates the workflow in action. You simply ask your chat client, "Fetch the ID of my primary audience list," and the agent returns the exact structured data, skipping the need to hunt through the interface. From there, the AI can read and cross-reference live performance metrics. It can parse through recent campaigns to pull up open rates, click rates, and deep analytical reports across your entire account. It also has write capabilities. If you need to clean up a list, you can add new members, manage subscriber tags, switch statuses from pending to subscribed. The server maintains safety boundaries by excluding the ability to trigger massive, irreversible live email blasts to thousands of users. This design choice prevents misconfigured AI actions from firing off unapproved campaigns. With these 10 tools, the agent functions as a growth engineer, capable of reasoning over live audience information rather than analyzing static spreadsheets. Giving a large language model read and write access to a sensitive marketing database raises a question: is this data safe from the AI itself? This schematic maps the Vinkius zero-trust architecture, filtering requests between the AI and database. The DLP layer masks personally identifiable information before it reaches the LLM. V8 isolates handle credential injection, ensuring your API keys bypass the model entirely. Finally, an accountability layer creates ED25519 signed audit chains. Every action taken by the agent is cryptographically tracked, logged, and verified in real time. By combining masked data, isolated credentials, and auditing, the architecture achieves GDPR and EU AI Act compliance, allowing agent autonomy while maintaining high security. Because Vinkius operates as a fully managed gateway, the deployment process requires zero local infrastructure. There are no Docker containers to spin up and no servers to maintain. Setup involves creating an account, grabbing your unique Vinkius MCP endpoint, and pasting it into Cursor, Claude, ChatGPT, or any other compatible client. While Mailchimp integration optimizes marketing workflows, that single endpoint provides access to over 2,500 governed MCP servers across every major industry application. The Vinkius AI Gateway provides the infrastructure layer that connects large language models to your live data. Visit Vinkius.com to deploy your first server and equip your AI with real-world capabilities today.